So you might be wondering how to test what kind of colours actually suit you best. My recommendation is always to use fabric because I think it is the most reliable indicator when you're trying to see the impact of what colours can have. So just like any DIY job, you might not have the necessary tools or the skills or the experience to be able to figure it out for yourself. So when it comes to the tools, what I would say is use whatever fabric you can get your hands on. It could be cushion covers, it could be pillowcases, it could be clothes, it could be scarves, it could be fabric. Whatever it is, use what you have available. But what you want to be doing is holding the fabric up underneath your chin, ideally without any makeup on and in natural daylight. And you want to be looking in a mirror to check your complexion and see if it's enhanced, looks fresher, looks brighter naturally, or if your skin tone appears dull, pale, or washed out. So when it comes to testing, this is what you want to be doing. Using fabric, hold it underneath your chin, because what you want to be doing is you want to see how it looks. I say to my clients all the time in a colour consultation, what you're actually looking for is that you're wearing the colours and not the other way around. So if it looks like the colours are wearing you, it's often not a great indicator. If I do that, they're quite overwhelming, they're quite dragging and draining for me. If I take them away, you can see how naturally I now look more lifted, lightened and brightened. I'm going to choose another one here. Take it away and put it back again. I've got on here, these are softer tones, more muted tones, which actually suit me very well because I'm what we call a soft colouring type. And if I show you again here, you'll see how they look completely different against my skin tone. They lighten my features, they don't dull them like some of these or make them look a really funny colour. You see, that looks ever so dark. This one, for instance, has got a really good tone to it, so it's flattering. These are the kind of things that you want to be looking for. That's why I say to use fabric, because I think it's the best indicator. And just one more thing. If you have self-diagnosed yourself, or you've had a go at another method, or you've done an online quiz or something like that, and what you're finding is that you've been following, if you like, the rules that have been interpreted to you, and still things aren't quite working, then trust your gut there, because if they're not quite working and you can't quite get things to balance for you, chances are you're already right, and actually it's probably not quite right for you. So it might be worth you considering having a professional colour analysis to be able to determine the right colours, the right tones, the right shades for you.